This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey gardening spirit boosters, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for sharing your precious time. All right, I love it. Don't forget now, if you come to the channel, please remember to subscribe, and always, old and new subscribers, please remember to like the video. It helps. Because I definitely, the first thing I do on your channel is like your video. Why not? And let it run to completion. Why not? Okay, folks, today I am sharing with you an update about my Creeping Charlie. It seems to be doing okay. Creeping Charlie, they like a little water. This is a lovely plant. I like Creeping Charlie. It's a hanging plant. Once it gets established and starts growing wild, you can hang it and it looks beautiful like that, like a pearl plant. I hope to get me another pearl plant. Those are hard for me to keep alive. I don't know why. Could be the environment where I live, the area. Maybe they don't like this area. Maybe they don't like the sun, the way the sun shine over here. Or the way the water, you don't like the taste of the water, the feel of the water, the contents in the water. Something about over here, the pearl plant does not like it. Now I have a, dang, I forgot what that plant called, but it looked like dolphin fins. Now that one, I'm gonna put on a stake and see how that turns out, and do a propagation repot video on that. But I hope you guys enjoy this video about my Creeping Charlie. I love it. It's beautiful, bright green. It's an invasive plant. If this was in the ground, it would grow around and probably choke out a bunch of stuff. But I love the Creeping Charlie, and I would like to get me another polka dot plant. That one, the seeds, I don't know how that worked, but the seeds would blow off that polka dot plant and just start growing and everything. I got to get me another one of them crazy plants. I let mine dry up. I wasn't a good plant mama outdoors. But anyway, I ain't gonna keep y'all long. Thank you for watching this update. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Invite me to your channel to watch your videos. Be consistent, because I want to be consistent. And I'm doing my best. I'm going around coming to support your channel. So be patient with me, and I'm patient with you. Bye for now. Have a great gardening day. Thanks for your time and support.